may have to get like a, forgot who mentioned it, but a ratchet bar and push the pillar, say like something like this, push it back just a little bit if those shims don't work. Hi guys, welcome back. I think today, hate to say it, but gonna take all this apart, get the hood off of it, grill back off of it. Not sure when I'm gonna put them, but we gotta get that driver's side door figured out. The shims are coming. They're not here yet, so might hold off on this driver's side. So we'll probably come to the passenger side and mess with it for a little bit. I do know on the fender, as you can tell, needs to flip up over that little piece there. That may be what's holding it up. But I do know that down here we need a gap for the fender to fit into, and we don't have one. So I think we have to cut the back side of this pillar like we did the driver's side and get it, as they mocked up, but just like how we did the driver's side, where we had put some scrap metal in there to keep the width, and that way we can put it flat against the kick panel on the back and it'll just be right, I guess. But after we do that, we may put some tech screws, some spot welds here, and try to put the passenger side door on. I think the latch mechanism is in that mess, or that mess. So we may take those down and go through them. I hope it's in there, because I don't know where it'd be if it's not. So we're going to concentrate on the passenger side today. Like I said, I got to take everything off, take the fender off, cut the pillar straight down. Might tech screw the back part in. That way we can have a gap, so we can put some metal in there and start filling that gap that we got to cut. So we got to gap this one too. It does look like this pillar is angled back a little bit. I ain't gonna mess with the bend any. I think we messed with the bend on the driver's side, and that may be what's throwing us off. Because I do remember, I think I maybe bent this to where it's 90. Because if it angles back some, then that would make the fender go forward just a hair and make this line up here. So that may be our issue, is we just need to bend this pillar so it angles back a little bit. But we'll try that on the passenger side. Like I said, it needs a lot of work. I may have bent this one. Yeah, I think I bent that one. I don't know. We'll just put it together and see what works. But like always, I don't got much time out here getting out before work, and I'm gonna make a road trip today and go to my new project and check it out. It's about an hour away, so we'll get in here, get some things done, and then come back. Just want to say thank you to all my new subscribers. Last video really did help me out and get new people to see. With that being said, I think when we're at 500, I'll do a live broadcast from in the garage, or at least try to, and we'll give away a hat. Which this hat I'm not giving away this hat, but the hat I am going to give away is going to be completely black strap with the logo on it. I got one that's fitted and I really like it a lot, so I figure it'd be a nice hat. And I may give away a sticker pack too. That way I can show y'all what I'm thinking about, and if y'all are interested in it, I may make them. And if y'all are interested in hats or anything, let me know. I can have them made and shipped out to you. But back to the Bronco. Let's get back to work and start taking stuff apart. All right. So we got to work with. You can see gap's pretty big. And you come in here and bend this. So there's a gap. But I think today we're gonna kind of fill in a little bit with a few pieces of metal. That way we can bring it back over here and weld it up. So let's get a few pieces down here. I'm gonna tack this, just seal this up down here so it doesn't, not that's gonna tear any, but just keep it at that distance. Now this is off a little bit. I may have to cut it all the way. Come in at an angle and cut it and pin that back. But before I do that, I'm gonna put a couple pieces of metal in here, and then we'll fix the bottom down there. All right, got it tacked in there. It's actually pretty strong. We'll go ahead and cut the rest of this out. Get that back against the kick panel, and then we may put another piece down here. That might be all I have time for today. Yeah, let's do that quick. Well, when I put that screw in there, it flipped it out a little bit, so we just did a little persuasion, got it back in there, let it cool down. It's really hot weld. Probably shouldn't have did that, but oh well. At least it's secure now, no gap. I have to fill that seam in, runs all the way distance. If it's in the wrong spot, we'll have to cut it again and redo it, but it is pretty sturdy. I may have to nip this off a little bit, get the fender sit down over it right. I'm not sure, but at least we got the starting point. We'll have to fill that in over the next few days or so. Anyways, yeah, we're kind of working on this side till the shims come in, and then we'll hop back over to the driver's side and try to get that figured out. May have to get, like, for I mentioned about a ratchet bar and push the pillar, say like sitting like this, push it back just a little bit. If those shims don't work, we'll try the shims first, see what happens. I do know the fender needs to move up a tad bit, I think, but I am going to bolt it like for him it again, but said to bolt my hood up. That way we know exactly what we're dealing with. So I'll find the bolts for that. We may do that too. But if you made it this far, thanks for watching. Thank you to all the new subscribers. It really does mean a lot. We're almost to 500, which is amazing. 500, like I said, I'll try to do a live broadcast from in the garage and give away maybe a couple hats or so, or a hat and a sticker pack. But if you like this kind of stuff, please hang around. We'll be getting doors fit, fenders aligned, everything where it's supposed to be, and then we'll probably take the body off the frame after everything's welded up, and either take the body to somebody that can fine tune it for me, or just put it somewhere. I'm not sure where. Hate to put it in the barns out there, just rust, but we'll find a spot for it. Anyways, thank you again, and I'll see you next time.